6 cars you see on the road every day are now being blacklisted by insurers heading into 2026. Owners are getting slapped with sky-high premiums, policy rejections, or impossible conditions. And the number 1 car on this list? It's the last one you'd expect. What used to be smart, reliable choices are now financial traps. Insurers have data we don't, and they've already made their move. One mistake here could cost you thousands before your next renewal. Hit subscribe now so you don't miss updates that could save you a fortune. Number 6. Range Rover Evoque. The Range Rover Evoque was once the stylish SUV everyone wanted. It had premium looks, great comfort, and strong performance, especially for city and highway use. But as 2026 approaches, insurance companies are starting to blacklist this model. Why? The Evoque has become one of the most frequently stolen cars. Organized gangs target it for its high resale value and ease of theft. Even with security upgrades, it's often not enough. Many insurers now demand trackers, locked garages, and even charge higher premiums for certain postcodes. On top of that, the cost of repairing an Evoque is sky-high. Minor accidents can result in major bills. Touchscreens, sunroofs, suspension, and electronics tend to fail faster than expected. Parts aren't always available, leading to long wait times. Several garages have stopped working on them altogether due to unreliable parts delivery. Some drivers report their vehicle was off the road for 6 weeks just waiting for a sensor. Others had to replace a full door just because one camera failed. Even the resale market is dropping fast. Some owners owe more than the car's value. Insurance quotes have doubled over the last year, with some premiums exceeding £4,000 annually. Many insurers also place limits on how and when the car can be driven. Some require indoor parking only, while others demand monthly security checks. The Evoque's reputation is sinking quickly. A car once praised for its elegance is now avoided by both drivers and insurers. Owners are left wondering if keeping it is even worth the cost or risk anymore. The high repair bills are pushing many owners to sell early. Even certified pre-owned units are becoming hard to sell. Extended warranties are being denied by providers. Insurers are labeling them high-risk assets. Mechanics now warn against buying them used. Pros: stylish design still turns heads. Smooth driving on rough roads. Comfortable interior with premium feel. Strong engine performance in all seasons. Good off-road capability for an SUV. Cons: very high insurance renewal rates. Common target for professional thieves. Small repairs often cost thousands. Reliability drops after a few years. Low fuel mileage compared to rivals. Price tag starts near £44,000. Number 5. BMW i3. The BMW i3 was once seen as a smart and eco-friendly solution to urban driving. It had a unique design, a compact size perfect for cities, and featured a lightweight carbon fiber body. But now, in 2026, this same car is on the verge of being uninsurable. The carbon fiber body that was praised at launch has become its biggest weakness. Even minor damage, like a bumper scratch, can require complete panel replacements, often costing more than £4,000. Some garages don't even accept the car anymore due to complex repair needs. The battery is another huge concern. Many owners report their i3 can barely go 60 miles on a full charge. Replacement batteries are extremely rare and overpriced. BMW no longer supports older battery swaps in many regions, leaving owners stuck. Insurance companies know this and see i3s as a high-risk investment. Several providers now exclude full battery protection or limit coverage to third-party only. If the battery fails, you're on your own. People trying to sell their i3 are learning buyers are scared of these issues. Trade-in offers are shockingly low. Some owners say they can't even give the car away. Forums are filled with complaints about long wait times for parts and software glitches that leave the car undrivable. Even the electric motor has been reported to fail on certain builds. Insurance quotes are climbing steadily, with premiums nearing the car's annual value. What was once an affordable EV choice has now turned into a maintenance and insurance nightmare few are willing to take on. Many former fans now call it a mistake purchase. Parts are becoming rare, and owners are running out of service options. Even junkyards won't accept some units. Dealers have stopped taking trade-ins. The i3's fall has been faster than almost any other EV on the road. Loan approvals are being denied for this model. Owners often face service center rejections. Battery refurbishing is no longer offered. The warranty plans are extremely limited. Many units now qualify as non-operational. Pros: easy to park in small areas. Feels smooth on city roads. Interior design feels futuristic. Light frame improves energy use. Silent driving with no fuel needed. Cons: battery range drops fast over years. Small crash or very high cost. Full battery replacement costs thousands. Not many garages fix this model. Hard to resell with battery issues. Price tag starts near £15,000. Number 4. Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf helped lead the electric vehicle market for everyday families. It was affordable, clean, and easy to use. But today, especially older models have become risky to own. Most early versions of the Leaf came with batteries that lacked cooling systems. That means the battery gets hot and degrades faster. Owners are now seeing full charges drop to under 60 miles. During winter, some cars won't make it 40. The cost to replace the battery can be over £9,000. But here's the catch. Nissan no longer provides new batteries for many older models. Even if you have the money, you may not find a solution. That's a massive red flag for insurance companies. They see these cars as too expensive to fix, especially after minor crashes. Many are declared total losses after a simple accident. This has led several insurers to stop offering full coverage. Others exclude the battery completely or increase deductibles. Selling the car is no easier. Buyers look up the range problems and walk away. Mechanics say the Leaf is one of the least supported EVs in terms of long-term care. Drivers report losing charging ability, touchscreen failures, and electrical gremlins with age. And because the car's resale value is now so low, some owners are stuck keeping a car they can't insure or fix. Others just abandon the car or use it only for ultra-short trips. The Leaf went from an award-winning idea to an EV horror story in just a few years. Battery buybacks are being denied. Even government incentives don't help. Public charging compatibility is dropping. And Leaf drivers often get rejected from trade-in programs. Many older Leafs are now classified as unrepairable. Recycling costs also fall on the owner. Support centers are closing down. Charging connectors are being phased out. Extended insurance is not offered anymore. Pros: quiet drive with no fuel cost, great for short city trips, simple controls, easy for beginners, low yearly tax and fees, early EV model with strong history. Cons: battery range now very poor, no support from maker for battery, hard to get full insurance coverage, small crash equals car gets totaled, no resale value in current market. Price tag starts near £6,000. Number 3. Tesla Model S. The Tesla Model S changed the game when it came to fast, high-tech electric cars. But now, what was once a symbol of modern luxury is becoming a growing problem for both drivers and insurers. Many insurance companies are backing away from the Model S, especially older versions. Why? Repair costs are through the roof. A simple scratch on the rear panel can cost more than £5,000 to fix, due to the aluminum body. Even worse, some parts can only be fixed by Tesla-approved centers. And that means long wait times and massive bills. Accidents that would be small on other cars can total a Model S. That makes insurance companies see it as high risk. Add to that the high theft rate, especially with newer keyless hacks, and it becomes even more uninsurable. Another big issue is the full self-driving software. If something goes wrong while using it, some insurers refuse to cover damages. There are also many reports of electronic glitches and battery issues on earlier models. Some drivers report range loss of over 30% in just a few years. Software updates can cause unexpected changes to performance or features, and not always in a good way. The resale value of older Model S vehicles is falling fast, and some extended warranties are no longer accepted. Drivers are starting to feel stuck. Insurers are also scared of lawsuits related to the car's autopilot system. Drivers have been dropped mid-policy. Some models can't even qualify for comprehensive coverage anymore. And with limited service centers, getting anything fixed takes time and money. Even scratches can become £3,000 repairs. Tire replacements require special sensors. Used ones are rarely approved by dealers. Roadside assistance isn't always covered. Some banks won't finance them anymore. It's now seen as a risky car to own, and even riskier to insure. Pros: fast acceleration and powerful feel, high-tech touchscreen and updates, spacious and quiet interior ride, long driving range on newer models, no fuel costs at all. Cons: extremely expensive to repair. Autopilot liability concerns insurers. Aluminum body easily damaged. Service delays from Tesla centers. Some features removed via update. Price tag starts near £70,000. Number 2. Mercedes EQC. The Mercedes EQC entered the market as a sleek luxury EV with high hopes. Built on a modified petrol platform, it promised comfort and tech. But going into 2026, it's now seen as one of the hardest EVs to insure. Insurance companies are turning away because of its shocking depreciation and high repair costs. Within 2 years, some EQCs have lost nearly 50% of their value. This worries insurers who fear repairs may cost more than the car is worth. And those repairs, they aren't cheap. The battery system is complex, and fixing it requires Mercedes-trained specialists. Some shops charge over £150 just to inspect it. There's also a problem with charging reliability. Many owners complain the car won't connect properly to public chargers. and when it does, it charges slower than advertised. Insurers now see this as a potential risk for breakdowns. Owners are also hit with high service fees. Tires, brakes, and software updates can be costly. Even navigation glitches have left people stranded. The EQC is also heavy, which means more damage and accidents. Another red flag for insurers. Drivers are starting to notice fewer insurers offering comprehensive coverage. Some only provide third-party quotes, and others require extra trackers or garage storage. Forums are filled with people getting cancellation notices or denied renewals. Mechanics report frequent electronic malfunctions in the dashboard system. Even simple software bugs require full resets. Extended warranties are rare. Mercedes no longer promotes EQC sales aggressively. Used dealers avoid stocking them. Insurers flag the vehicle due to low resale rates. Most quotes now start at luxury car pricing. Insurers demand strict parking conditions. Premiums double year over year. Total loss is declared after minor crashes. Battery modules often need full replacement. Towing services charge extra due to weight. EQC is now a growing risk for everyone involved. Pros: comfortable interior with luxury finish, smooth driving and low noise, strong acceleration for an SUV. Mercedes safety features included. Cabin tech is well designed. Cons: huge loss in resale value, high service and battery costs, charging reliability often questionable, software bugs common in dashboard. Insurers require strict conditions. Price tag starts near £65,000. Number 1. Jaguar I-Pace. The Jaguar I-Pace made headlines as one of the first high-end electric crossovers. It looked sharp, drove like a sports car, and gave Jaguar a much-needed boost. But fast forward to 2026, and this same car is now being refused by multiple insurance providers. Why? It's a mix of high repair costs, poor reliability, and battery concerns. Owners report random electronic failures, screens going black, drive modes disappearing, or even total power loss while driving. These issues often require towing and specialist attention. Repairs can cost tens of thousands, even when under warranty. Worse yet, Jaguar's service network is limited. Some owners wait months for basic parts. Insurers know this and are walking away. One of the biggest concerns is the cooling system for the battery. If it fails, the battery may overheat and get damaged. Replacing that battery could cost as much as a new compact car. Some insurers now exclude battery-related issues entirely. Others add conditions like indoor storage, charging restrictions, and mandatory maintenance records. Drivers have even reported policy cancellations after filing a single claim. The I-Pace is also tough to resell. Prices have dropped over 40% on some models. Dealers hesitate to accept trade-ins. Software updates sometimes reduce range or cause charging issues. Public chargers often fail to recognize the car. The weight of the I-Pace also means tire wear is high, and replacements are expensive. Extended warranty programs are being scaled back. Many insurance quotes now come with strict usage limits. Nighttime driving or long-distance travel may void coverage. Some insurers demand black boxes to monitor behavior. The I-Pace, once a bold EV step, is now seen as a liability. Jaguar's brand support has dropped. Owners face endless issues. Battery cooling repairs are delayed. Dealers offer less support than before. Financing is harder to secure. Insurance premiums rise yearly, and more companies are refusing to touch it at all. Pros: stylish, sporty design stands out. Quick acceleration and smooth feel. Comfortable for long highway drives. Cabin feels modern and high-tech. Good handling for electric SUV. Cons: frequent electrical and software issues. Limited service support in areas. High battery and repair costs. Low resale value hurts trade-ins. Insurers add strict usage rules. Price tag starts near £69,000. These cars once looked like smart choices, but now they're turning into insurance disasters. If you own one, check your renewal early and plan your next move before it's too late. Don't get caught paying thousands for something you can't even protect. Some owners are already stuck, unable to sell or afford the next bill. Don't wait until it's your turn to face the shock. Subscribe now so you never miss updates that could save you serious money. And drop a comment below. Which car shocked you the most? Stay sharp, drive smart, and always check insurance before buying.